Good morning, and my name is Vipun Dharanjay Nayak, and I am dealing with the AI Symptom Checker and Payment Integration modules for our system. First of all, I'll explain the AI Symptom Checker features after the login to system using payment patient credentials. So the user redirect to the patient dashboard. From the navigation menu, the user can select the AI checker here and which opens the symptoms checker page. So here is the entire enters their symptoms, age, and gender. Then click the check symptoms button. Mm, the system process the input using the AI model and return the structured result, including possible medical condition and recommend doctors specialty and urgency level and basic health advice. So I'll give the sample here. So if user add this symptoms and age is 29 and gender is male, then the user can also add his diabetics and another cholesterol like that, and if patient has the medical history and you can input here. So after the click check symptoms button and AI generated the result. So based on the output, the user can process the click book appointment. Then navigates to the appointment booking page, and there are some possible condition is here. Recommended doctor is here. Doctor matching the special the recommended doctors already registered in our system according to this specialty. Then after the if you use want the book doctor, and they can click the book appointment. Uh, so next is the payment integration process. So after selecting the doctor, confirmation appointment details is direct to the payment dashboard, and I will continue here. And so user can select the date and time and create booking appointment. Then navigate to the payment dashboard. So in this section we integrated we integrated Cypress payment gateway to handle the source online transaction. The user enter the required payment details and click confirm payments. Once the payment is successful, the process system display the success confirmation message and completing the appointment booking process. So I will do as example amount 100 LKR. Then user can enter the description here, any other remark if you want to add any other remark, and user can input it. Then click the start strike payment, then card details and other expiry date and CVC number. It's over here. So I already linked the Stripe payment gateway. Then Stripe is card is available. I already have the example card. Then user can click the confirm payments. Then pop up the message the payment is successful and direct to the payment history page. So you can see that now we done the payment is success. In the summary, this module includes AI-based symptoms analysis with a doctor recommendation and seamless appointment booking workflow and the source Stripe payment integration. Mm, that's it, my part, and thank you.
Today I am presenting my two services that in this project. So my services are telemedicine service and the notification service. Okay, this is I'm using two browsers because one is for the patients, and the other one is for the doctor. So in this browser, I'm logging as the doctor. This is the doctor's dashboard, and using other browser, I'm logging as the patient. This is the patient dashboard. Okay, I already have a appointment, place appointment for the checkup and assign a doctor. This is the pending appointment that placed from the patient, and we can go into the appointment and we can view details. What is the status of the appointment, and the for the consultation, is doctor join, patient join, or anything other things. We are the doctor panel. This display the telemedicine details. This is simple steps for the doctor to view how many sessions is scheduled for today, and how many sessions need reviews, like those things. This is the appointment that placed from the patient. Okay, we can go inside the patient's appointment and we can the details of the appointment, how many times we had left, and this is the flow of the teleconsultation going on. In here we have accept, reject, and reschedule buttons for the doctor to manage the appointment, and in here we can create a session for the teleconsultation. Now we can accept the appointment. Now the appointment is accepted. Now the doctor can start a session or create a session. I'm going to create a session, and now doctor is ready to start the teleconsultation, and he can start teleconsultation. So this is the teleconsultation view. I created this using Jitsi. Okay. Okay, now doctor is going to the teleconsultation, and I'm going to the other browser. Refresh. Now patient can see the session is on live, and also the in here showing the doctor is already joined to the meeting, and the patient can join to the meeting in here. When you scroll down, this is the index for the patient, and in here you can see the doctor and the patient is going to the teleconsultation. There are two members in here. One participant is the doctor, and the other one is the patient. So after the teleconsultation in from the doctor side, he can end session from this button, and now doctor can create the consultation records uh, and add the follow-up date, which will be a future. And now doctor is creating a consultation, and now he can add medication for the patients. Okay, so if the doctor wanted more medication, he can add from here. Now doctor can close the sessions, and now the teleconsultation is showing as completed from the patient side. He can log out from the session, and when we refresh, the patient can see the medication details that are given from the doctor. So this is my telemedicine service part. Also, my other part is the notification service. In here, in the bell icon, patient can view what happened with the consultation or with the appointment. He can click and mark as read, or these are simple small notification. And in here, all the notification showing according to the consultation. From the doctor side as well, here there is a bell icon for the doctor as well. He can also give the recent notification according about the consultation. These are the notification list, and these are the in-app notification for the so doctor and patient can view the notification and know the things what's happening, uh, and if there is any new appointment, or if the appointment is accepted, rejected, or rescheduled, there is a notification coming from the in-app. So this is my complete service demonstration, and while the notification services ensures user get timely and traceable update for every critical event.
Hello everyone, I am Sadish Satsara. Today I'll be walking you through the core backend infrastructure of the Medicare platform. We have adapted a modern microservice architecture, and I want to highlight three critical components that form the backbone of our system. So this is our high-level architectural diagram. So you can see here, this is the API gateway, and here are all the microservices we have, and all the microservices won't expose to the internet. Only the API gateway exposed to the internet, and all the requests from the client. You can see here the web client. All the requests from the client will go through the API gateway, and API gateway handle the reverse proxy and pass the request to the relevant service. So first one is API gateway and the authentication service here, and the patient service. I I I have done these three services. So let's dive into the each service. So in my part, I don't have actually a UI to display for you. So my part is the infrastructure. Mostly the infrastructure. So first dive into the Nginx configuration. So let me open my Nginx file here. So first we have our API gateway. Instead of exposing our microservices directly to the front end, we use an Nginx reverse proxy operation operating on port 8080. Uh, this serves as single centralized and secure entry point for all traffic. What makes this API gateway powerful is that it handles all of our cross-cutting concerns at the network edge. So let me go to the second service of mine, authentication service. So in authentication service, I don't have something to display. Uh, Let me open the uh, sign in. So in authentication service, this is a Springboard microservice connected to its own isolated GoDB database, ensuring that credentials data is physically separated from clinical data. So we use stateless JWT architecture to ensure scalability. When the user logs in via the gateway, the service issues a short-lived access token expiring in 15 minutes along with the secure 7 days refresh token. This provides the perfect balance between high security and seamless user experience. Because the API gateway relies on this service to validate every single protected route via internal network request, we designed to be extremely lightweight and fast to prevent any system-wide bottlenecks. So that's what the that's what the authentication service do.
Hi, my name is Cruz Edi. Today I'm gonna show my features. So my two components are doctor management service and appointment management service. Mm, So I will show you appointment page by logged in by a patient. So here how it look like the patient dashboard. Uh, in this appointment page, uh, patient can see the latest created appointments and cancelled appointments. And here we can create an appointment by selecting the specialty of the doctor. Here how it selects, and it has already selected the patient name uh, that who has logged in. And here we can select the date for create an appointment, and the time. And also here we can add a comment or something to create the appointment. Here how it creates, and after it will redirect to the payment page. So it is not my feature, therefore I'm not going to talk about that. uh, I will show you now doctor service management. I will logged in by a doctor. So here the doctor dashboard, and here the appointment page. In appointment page, after creating appointment by patient, uh, that created appointment is displaying under the doctor's appointment. the doctor's appointments, and here we can approve or decline the appointment by the doctor. That is the appointment page work. So I will show you a dashboard page. Here's the doctor dashboard. Here doctor can see pending requests and upcoming consultations and active slots. And also in requires action section, doctor can see the newly added appointments by the patients, and also in availability schedules, uh, doctor can view the available schedules of uh, this. So, and also doctor can create an availability schedule. That's all the features has that has to do by the doctor.